The given flowchart represents the flow of genetic information between biomolecules. Identify the processes A, B, C, and D and select the correct option. Option A: translation, transcription, replication, reverse transcription. Option B: replication, transcription, translation, reverse transcription. Option C: replication, transcription, reverse transcription, translation. Option D: replication, reverse transcription, transcription, translation. What's the right answer?
C.
C. What's C? Replication, transcription, reverse transcription, translation. Repeat after me. DNA replication refers to the process of formation of two similar copies of DNA using parental DNA as template. The expression of the genetic material occurs normally through the production of proteins. This involves two consecutive steps. These are transcription and translation. The DNA codes for the production of messenger RNA, that means mRNA, during transcription. Messenger RNA carries coded information to ribosomes. What does the messenger RNA carry?
Coded information.
To where?
Ribosomes.
To ribosomes. The ribosomes read this information. What the ribosomes do?
Read the information
And use it for protein synthesis. How do ribosomes synthesize the proteins? By reading the information. And this information was carried by what? This information was carried by messenger RNA, that means mRNA. Messenger RNA carries coded information to ribosomes. What carries coded information to ribosomes? mRNA. And how is the information? Information is in the code form. And what the ribosomes do? Ribosomes read this information. And what the ribosomes do reading this information? Use it for protein synthesis. Do ribosomes directly synthesize the protein? No, ribosomes do not directly synthesize the proteins. How do they synthesize the proteins? They synthesize the proteins by reading the information which was provided by mRNA. This process of protein synthesis is called translation. FHC Crick described this unidirectional flow of information in 1958 as the central dogma of molecular biology. And this reading of the information, is it unidirectional or bidirectional? It is unidirectional. Means the information flows from where to where? Information flows from mRNA to the ribosomes, and ribosomes in turn use this information for the production of proteins. Many tumor viruses contain RNA as genetic material and replicate by first synthesizing a complementary DNA. So here, these many tumor viruses, they contain RNA as genetic material and they replicate. And how do they replicate? In the process of replication, what do they do first? First they synthesize what? First they synthesize complementary DNA. What synthesizes complementary DNA? Tumor viruses containing RNA as genetic material. First they synthesize a complementary DNA. This process is called reverse transcription. That means teminism. So what is meant by teminism or reverse transcription? The process of synthesizing of complementary DNA from where? From RNA is called as reverse transcription or teminism. It is carried out by
It is carried out by
an RNA dependent
an RNA-dependent
DNA polymerase
DNA polymerase
called
called
reverse transcriptase.
reverse transcriptase.
This formation of complementary DNA from RNA, it is catalyzed by what? It is catalyzed by what kind of enzyme? RNA dependent
DNA
dependent DNA polymerase. And what do we call this RNA dependent DNA polymerase?
reverse transcriptase.
Reverse transcriptase. So what is the enzyme that is necessary for performing reverse transcription? Reverse transcriptase. Reverse.
Transcriptase.
So what is the enzyme that is necessary for reverse transcription? Reverse transcriptase. And what is this reverse transcriptase? It is
RNA-dependent DNA polymerase.
it's RNA dependent DNA polymerase.